Wow, look at all the pretty colors. Ooh. What's going on, guys? Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and it's that time again. And we're doing another giveaway here on the channel, as well as my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. And there is definitely a Valentine's Day, hey, I want to give back to you guys, you know, kind of thing. But also, we hit over 600 followers on Twitch, and also we hit over 7.7K here on YouTube. So thank you. Thank you, guys. I mean, all the views and everything definitely helps because we can reinvest and do these giveaways. So quick details on that. We're doing an Xbox controller as well as 6 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So that's close to, if I do my math correctly, $150 value. And that's all, again, thanks to you guys. So thank you very much for liking the videos, sharing with your friends, all of it. And in addition, if you want to see more awesome content in celebration of 600 followers on Twitch, I'm shaving all this off, even though my fiance doesn't want me to. So thank you. The giveaway will go on for about a week, and all you got to do is click on that Gleam link in the description down below. And good luck. Take care.